Hey YouTube, how's everyone doing? Thank you so much for clicking on this video. And in today's video, I'll be doing a site visit. It's a house I've shown you guys already. But I'm just here to do an update to show you guys what's been going on. So come along with me guys. So we're in the foyer area now. And to the right is the dining area. So from the dining area, we go into the kitchen. So that's the pantry. So this is a passageway that leads to the garage and the laundry area and bedrooms. So over here is the laundry area. And guys, it's a bit dark in here. You know, the windows are tinted and it's in the afternoon. So that's the powder room. This is a garage, 2-car garage. So this is a linen closet. Bedroom number 1. And I was shown this house before, so it's just pretty much an update to show you all that's been going on. So the last time I was here, the walls weren't rendered as yet, and the floor wasn't installed. So here is a Jack and Jill bathroom. So it's just pretty much just a quick walkthrough. You're gonna have the tray ceiling So back to the foyer area. So this is the living room. This will be just a sitting area. And the back porch. So that's the sea you're looking on right there. I'm gonna take it to the master suite. So a doorway will be right here. So you enter into the master suite. Over to your right, you have a walk-in closet. And this is the master bath. So you're gonna have a linen closet right here. And next to the linen closet will be the toilet room. So this is the master bedroom. And tray ceiling. I'm gonna show you that view. So you're looking straight down into Alligator Pond from the master bedroom. So living area, kitchen, over there we have the dining area. This is the foyer. Now let me know what you think about this door, guys. So this is a gazebo, pretty much a gazebo attached to the porch. And the porch wrap around to the side. And look at that view. So there we have it, guys. Comment down in the comment section and remember to leave a like, and if you haven't done so as yet, just remember to please subscribe.